Hello students, hope all of you are fine and healthy and learning with this new way, right? So students, previous videos we did your section A of unit 1, that was Bibel's Wit is a Hit, right? Now in today's class we'll do our second chapter, the Weird Wells Wedding Invitation, right? Now when we talk about the unit, wit and humor means intelligence and a comic way, right? A person who is funny as well as intelligent, witty and humorous, right? So when we talk about wit and humor, there are two people who always come in our mind, right? One is Birbal and another is Tenali Rama, right? You must have watched serials, you must have read stories of Tenali Rama's intelligence, right? So this story is about intelligence of Tenali Rama, right? So before going through my video, student, read this chapter word by word so that you know the story and you are able to understand what I am speaking, right? So students, this is the chapter which will talk about Tenali Rama, right? His wit and intelligence. So Tenali Rama belonged to Andhra Pradesh and he was a simple Brahmin boy, right? And he was you know he became there is a word jester means clown, right? Clown. So he was he went to become the court jester clown at Krishna Dev Rayalu of Vijayanagar Empire, right? Vijayanagar Empire's king Krishna Dev Rayalu, he was a clown at his court, right? So his work was to entertain king, and but he was very intelligent, and many times, like Birbal, he helped his king to get saved from problems, right? So we all know intelligence of Tenali Rama, and we know that he always helped people with his intelligence. So in this story, as the name say, the weird wells in wedding invitation means a weird means something which is very different and never heard of, जिसके बारे में हमने कभी पहले नहीं सुना, राइट? सो वियर्ड मीन्स अजीब सा, एंड वेल्स वेडिंग इनविटेशन, सो इट इज अबाउट wedding of well is kuan, right? So now we'll see in this chapter that Mohammedan sultans were the rulers of Delhi, and Krishna Dev Rayalu was emperor of Vijayanagar, and sultans always planned to sultans were known to invade means to attack other cities or states for wealth, right? And they enjoyed it by killing other people or by disturbing them or by creating problems for them, right? So he always wanted one or the another excuse to start war with another, right? He used to do very silly things so that people can ignore him and he can fight against them, right? So what happened, once he thought to trouble means pareshan karna, right? So he thought to trouble Shri Krishna Dev Rayalu, and what he did, he sent a wedding invitation to him. Now whose wedding invitation it was? Wells of Delhi, right? So he said that now you can read the wedding invitation which is there. Shri Krishna Dev Rayalu, right? We propose to perform the marriage of newly dug well in our kingdom on the first day of next month, and we propose to perform, and we pleasure of inviting. So what, if you'll read this, you will see what was the invitation, that there was a newly dug means खोदा हुआ. So वहाँ पर उन्होंने एक नया कुआं खोदा था, and for that उसकी शादी थी, एंड देयर व्हाट दे वांटेड कि विजयनगर के सारे वेल उस शादी में आए. नाउ वी ऑल नो दैट वेल कैन नॉट ट्रेवल, राइट? हम कुआं कैसे उठा के ले जा सकते हैं? कुआं तो एक जगह खोद दिया जाता है तो वहीं रहता है. सो द प्रॉब्लम विद कृष्ण देव रयालू वाज दैट हाउ आई कैन सेंड माय वेल्स देयर, राइट? सो द ट्रबल डिड नॉट एंड देयर, एंड देयर वाज दैट इफ he will not send the wells of Vijayanagar to Delhi, then it will be considered as insult of Sultan, and Sultan will then fight with them or there will be a war between them, right? Now after receiving this letter, Krishna Dev Rayalu was perplexed is a word, means very puzzled and confused, that how he can how he should reply for the letter. Now he called his Chief Minister Thimarisu and told him to find up with a solution within a 1 day or 2 days, right? Now Thimarisu was also confused to look at that invitation, and he didn't had any solution for the same, right? And he thought that what should be the solution so that there should be no fight between the two kingdoms, between Delhi and Vijayanagar, right? Now he said that he is not able to find any solution. Then king called his poet Ramalinga. Ramalinga is Tenali Rama, right? And he told him that please find a solution to the problem. He said he said to Thimarisu that go and contact Tenali Rama, he must have the solution for it, right? So when Thimarisu went to Tenali Rama for the solution, he said that you go home peacefully and relax. Now what Tenali Rama said, okay, no problem, you just go home, I'll find some solution for it, right? And I will come tomorrow in the court and give you solution. Now what happened next morning when there was, everyone was in the court, and there was a, king was very sad because he didn't had any solution, he didn't had any reply for the wedding, and he was very upset that how he'll stop Delhi Sultan from war now, right? Then suddenly everyone he heard the reply from Tenali Rama. And what was the reply and solution by Tenali Rama? The letter is given here. If you will read this letter, you will read. He gave the solution that what our whales want. He said that our whales want that you should come here. Your whales should come personally to invite our whales, right? He said what our whales want, that they should be invited personally and then they will go with you Delhi. So what solution he said कि आपके सिटी के कुएं हमारे शहर आए, हमारे कुओं को पर्सनली इनवाइट करें और अपने साथ ही ले जाएं, right? Now this was the reply which he sent to Delhi, right? King Rayalu sent this message. Now Sultan was very shocked that how can I send my whales with you, right? Now he appreciated the king's intelligence. He said, wow, what a brilliant idea king had for the same. And he sent many gifts with the friendship letter to King Rayalu, right? But we all know whose intelligence and whose idea it was, Tenali Rama, right? So this chapter is about the intelligence of Tenali Rama, that how intelligent he was and how he saved his king, right? So this is the chapter, students, about the Weird Whales wedding invitation. I hope the chapter is clear to you all, and you will go through the chapter. Just read the chapter. If there is any problem, you can contact me. Thank you and take care.